I like these award-winning cheddar puffs. And I like these award-winning cheddar puffs.
First place.
Both events?
Booyah!
We're an awards family.
You'll like them both, but love our price. Award-winning organic cheddar puffs from Aldi. Simply smarter shopping.
We're shivering, like we're walking and we're shivering all the time.
Well, that makes perfect sense. Temperatures are in the teens, what you need to prepare for when you wake up.
And a nuclear button, and it works. The shocking tweet from President Trump aimed at North Korea.
And just in, a massive response at a fire in Maryland, the investigation into this frigid firefight. That's coming up next.
Now, ABC 7 News at 11, on your side.
Well, first at 11 o'clock tonight, we are on storm watch. Temperatures are dropping right now, if you can believe it, and it is so cold, it hurts.
Oh, that's definitely the case. And it's only going to get worse tonight. Storm Watch 7 meteorologist Josh Knight is here. And Josh, what can we expect in the morning? And also, there's a chance of snow at some point?
Yeah, a little bit of everything from Mother Nature for this go-round. What we're going to start off with are our current feels-like temperatures, 13 in D.C., but some places already feels like 4 degrees in Manassas, 6 in Warrenton, 5 near Quantico. So by the time we get to tomorrow morning, looking for those temperatures from about 5 to 15 degrees. Going to be a very cold start. Clear skies, at least light winds for tonight. It kind of backfires on us, though. It means we don't have to really worry about wind chill, but the really light breeze means temperatures actually plummet even farther. So tomorrow morning, again, starting off with those really cold numbers. Let's jump ahead, though. I do want to show you what's going on from Jacksonville all the way up into New Jersey. Either a winter storm warning or a winter storm watch. So keeping a close eye on this one, and that's going to be tonight and into tomorrow farther south. But then for our area, it would be Wednesday into Thursday. Not expecting anything too big from that, but we do have that chance to track some snow for you Wednesday night into Thursday morning. More on the timing and what I think we can expect around here in just a few minutes.
Josh, we'll see you. Thanks. Wind chills in the single digits. It is enough to take a very big toll on our infrastructure. In fact, today alone, dozens of water main breaks in the district. Jay Corp, braving the cold tonight. He's in Northeast Washington. You were out on another story, Jay, and a water main broke.
Yeah, that's right. This one here, they're all over the city. These guys have been working for hours in this bitter cold temperature. Aging infrastructure meets frigid temps, and this is what happens. DC water crews have responded to dozens of water main breaks on this night. And it's hard to know when this pipe cracking weather will abate, with temperatures expected to rise and fall in the coming days. It has indeed been a burden on many.
Well, I was raised in the Midwest, so I know what cold really is, but I've been here before at Christmas. It's never been this cold.
With wind chill readings in the teens Tuesday night, plunging into single digits later in the week, those out and about are bundling up.
We're shivering, like we're walking and we're shivering all the time.
Glenda Lindahl and her family have enjoyed this visit to D.C., but heading home will also have its advantages.
I'm going home to about 80 degrees, thank you.
Aren't you lucky?
You bet.
So the water's been out in this neighborhood in Northeast since about 11 a.m. Talked to some residents. They are hoping and praying that these guys who are working very hard are going to be wrapped up pretty soon. Looks like at least a couple more hours. Reporting live in the district, Jay Korf, ABC 7 News.
Thanks very much, Jay. Up in Baltimore, check this out. A water main break in Fells Point neighborhood. Everything touched by the water froze, trapping cars, too. And it's going to be another day before a pump will be installed so that the water will be completely stopped, and then it'll flow to another area. Maybe another week or two until crews get the part needed to actually fix that break.
Wow. So as a monster storm intensifies off the East Coast, dozens of states are already under alert for cold and snow. In Buffalo, New York, blizzard conditions caused a deadly chain reaction crash and shut down a throughway. More than 20 vehicles in all were involved in this. One person was killed, another was seriously hurt. Visibility there was close to zero.
You couldn't see a gosh darn thing in front of you. Everything was blurry. There was complete whiteout.
While frigid temperatures are causing problems for first responders, too. In New York City, hundreds of firefighters battled flames in 13-degree weather. More than 20 people were hurt. The firefight left behind a thick coating of ice. So for the very latest forecast at your fingertips, download the ABC7 Stormwatch app right to your smartphone. Jonathan?
Well, developing now, a tweet from President Trump is raising some eyebrows, and it talks about North Korea, specifically a nuclear button. Nancy Chin joining us now, and this was not the tweet we were expecting.
Yeah, it's getting a lot of attention tonight, Jonathan. President Trump writing here, North Korean leader Kim Jong-un just stated that the nuclear button is on his desk at all times. Will someone from his depleted and food-starved regime please inform him that I, too, have a nuclear button, but it is a much bigger and more powerful one than his, and my button. That tweet coming from President Trump. And this comes in response to Kim's New Year's address, in which he warned that the United States that North Korea's nuclear ambitions were now complete, and the launch button was, quote, always on the desk in my office. Allison, back to you.
All right, Nancy, thank you. And you know, it was an active day on Twitter for the president, because this morning he called Hillary Clinton's aide, Huma Abedin, crooked, and appeared to ask the Justice Department to investigate her handling of classified materials. Then this evening, President Trump said the U.S. pays Palestine hundreds of millions of dollars every year, and in his words, we get no appreciation or respect.
Utah Senator Orrin Hatch won't be seeking re-election this year. Some are speculating that perhaps Mitt Romney could be running to fill his seat. Hatch is the Senate's longest-serving Republican, and as president pro tem, he is now third in line for presidency. Romney thanked Hatch for his service, and he wished him the very best in a message that was on Facebook and on Twitter.
Well, new at 11 tonight, a teenage girl accused them of a grisly sexual assault. And tonight, 5 firefighters are charged, but not with a sex crime.